What's up, Food Jacks? All right, so if you guys didn't know it, I have a technology channel on YouTube. It's been up for a little bit, doing some videos, just kind of a regular Joe technology show. All right, it's nothing intense. I don't do like benchmark testing on iPhones. I don't do any of that stuff. It's just a regular guy looking at some new stuff, talking to you about it, and bringing it to your attention. It's called Tech Time. And for those of you who just joined the show for the very first time, I also have a restaurant review channel called Jack on the Go Show. And sometimes I go to places other than restaurants, but mostly it's restaurant reviews. In fact, this year, I'm going to be doing my first ever hiking trail. And that's another Jack on the Go episode. So when I'm not in the kitchen, I'm on the go. So those two channels, be sure to subscribe to those. But in the meantime, come on in close and let me show you what we're doing here on the degreaser competition. Some of you remember that I did the Purple Power test on the lid of my grill. First of all, I want to apologize to whoever makes this product. I did not give it justice. This is not made to clean the inside of barbecues. Nobody told me this. For some reason, in the back of my mind, it bothered me. It's made to clean the grill. It's to degrease the grill and clean it off and all that. So I'm going to give it due justice, and I'm going to bring it back on this episode, and we're going to try it on a grill today. That's one of the four we're trying. We're going to find out who's the best. This one right here, Spray 9 Heavy Duty Degreaser. This one right here is called Super Clean, dissolves grease, super easy, super fast. And this one was recommended by a lot of viewers, called Mean Green Super Strength. So we're going to try all four of these. I'm going to go grab a grill. I'm going to try and find one of the dirty ones. And I'm going to lay it right here on my table. And we're going to clean different areas and see how good all four of these are. Here's the grill off my Grilla Grills wood pellet smoker. It's kind of my go-to wood pellet. I cook on it more than anything else. So the first one we're going to do is the Purple Power. And I'm going to spray this corner here, this area here, so that you can see it. We'll let it set for a little bit. Let's give it just a gentle wipe. Not bad. That does a really good job. I'm down to maybe a treatment or two, a little bit of scrubbing. But you can see how it's bringing me back down. So I would say this worked pretty well. That's the Purple Power. Spray 9. That's the one we're going to do next. Spray 9. Okay, ready? Give it a gentle wipe. Now these have never been cleaned ever. But you can see a lot of these went right back down to the brand new look. Now it's time to do the Super Clean. Okay, let's give it a wipe. That also worked pretty good, not as well as the other two. But that did good on this section right here. Got some dark spots here that are going to be requiring a little bit more scrubbing. Yes, I did leave the worst for last because everybody claimed Mean Green can do it. I've seen the commercials and all that online. So let's give this a try. We are doing the Mean Green Super Strength right now. That's weird. This one is all over the place. All right, spraying it down nice and good. It has the hardest corner here. This is where I normally lay my meat most of the time on the grill. What I mean by it has a really bad neck, this thing's like real flimsy, so when you're spraying it, it wants to fly all over the place. Okay, I can see, like, look at this. I wouldn't even tell, but you can see it's cleaning already. It's bubbling. A lot of this is becoming more exposed than before. Just touching it with my finger. Wow. All right, let's give it a wipe. As you can see, the clean area that most of the stuff came off of is larger than the other four corners. We have a larger section. Not saying this is a perfect test, guys. I think all of them did pretty good, but this one looks like it did the best. So keep your grills cleaned, scrub them down. Make sure when you spray them, take them off. Don't spray them in the barbecue. Take them into the house, clean your grills, or outside somewhere where this isn't gonna stay on your barbecue. All right, that's it, guys. Let me know what you use on your grill, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.